Hello from Istanbul, a cold winter day, but it's sunny. Now we have just arrived to Istanbul before our Southeast Asia travel, and we are going to stay 2 days. We are staying in the heart of the historic peninsula in Istanbul, in Sultanahmet. We are staying at Levni Hotel and Spa. This is a very convenient hotel because they're just in front of Marmaray Sirkeci station. Now we are staying in a standard double room and we want to show you around.
I want you to know how I feel. Though I may say it, I just think that I might have to spell it out for you. So listen here. I want this all to be crystal clear. Oh, I care about you more than a lot. This feeling I feel is felt deep in my heart. And by chance, if you feel just a bit of the same, then come over, baby, stop playing this game. We haven't known each other long, but God, it's easier to say what I feel when I write a song. That is, if you don't mind. I have been thinking of you all this time. Oh, I care about you more than a lot. This feeling I feel is felt deep in my heart. And my chance, if you feel just a bit of the same, then come over, baby, stop playing this game.
So this is a standard double room and I think it's 150 euros per night. There is a big double bed. I think that's a king bed, and we are overlooking to some historic buildings, but the windows are a bit dirty. So we have a kettle and we have coffee and tea. There is the TV, and here is what we are seeing from our room. This is the Marmaray station. This is that close. Now after that we will start exploring. They have a beautiful terrace, and let me show you the room a little bit more. And in our wardrobe there is really ample space because we put all our luggage here and there, and then there is still space for the safe, and they are also giving slippers and bathrobes. Let's look at the bathroom. Bathroom is classic. Shampoos, conditioners, there's a hair dryer, and this is a walk-in bath. Not a walk-in bath, but a hot bath. It's authentic, and I really like the ceiling. So I think with today's prices, this is a good bargain in the heart of Sultanahmet.
I want you to know how I feel. Though I may say it, I just think that I might have to spell it out for you. So listen here. I want this all to be crystal clear. Oh, I care about you more than a lot. This feeling I feel is felt deep in my heart. And by chance,
Hello, from the 5th floor of our hotel. We saw this terrace in the daytime, we loved the view and we wanted to see the nighttime Bosphorus view, which should be mesmerizing. Wow. As you can see, it's the famous Bosphorus Bridge. You can see the Topkapı Palace right here. And the neighborhood is alive, and you can see the Galata Tower from far. The city looks magnificent at night. Unfortunately, this beautiful terrace is closed during the winter. Otherwise, there's a beautiful restaurant here called the Bosphorus Restaurant. But we can only enjoy the view here by ourselves now. And from here you can see a historic building which is now used as a high school. Let's look closer. What is this one? You know?
I believe the mayor's office.
Ah, the governor's.
Yes, Istanbul.
Yeah, it should be the governor's office. Now we will look at the beautiful Bosphorus view one more time before we head up to our room, because we really had a busy day today.